Today we're going to look at great budget laptops in Bangkok 2022. As we look around this temple, Wat Ratchanaddaram, we'll have a good look around. Welcome to Thai Days. Okay, so the first great budget laptop in Bangkok 2002 is the Asus E410, around about 13,000 baht, $378. You can see it now. Good, cool. And the second budget laptop's the Acer Chromebook Spin 713, around about 21,500 baht. More expensive, but you get what you pay for. $625. Please give us a like. And the third laptop is the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, 2,250 baht, $654. Can you think of any budget laptops? Please leave them in the comments below. Number 4 is the Lenovo Notebook Idle Pad Flex 5, around about 26,500 baht, $770. Again, the prices are going up, but what you get, what you pay for, and it is a budget laptop. Like the next one is the Acer Swift One, 14,000 baht, $408. And I had to put my MSI Notebook Modern 14 at number 6 because I own it. 16,500 baht, $480, something like that. Please like the video. Any suggestions for budget laptops? Please put them in the comments below. Please give us a like. Okay, I think I'll sum up. Nice little walk around this temple, right next to Kosan Road. Peace, love, uni, subscribe, take care, bye bye.